Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zuhimi bin Smadi, matrix number B081810569. Supervisor T.S. Sulaiman bin Sabikan would like to present to you about my PSM2 BEEU 4774, which is development of automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine. This is my PSM2, which will include the hardware development and also the prototype design that I will show to you. So this is my project poster for PSM2 for the development of automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine. This poster is included the hardware development or the prototype design, the finished prototype design that I will put in here. And also I have put objective, scope, problem statement, data analysis, methodology, conclusion, and also the author and my supervisor. So, introduction. What is automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine? And why do I choose this topic to make as my PSM2 project? So, first and foremost, what is belacan? Belacan is a shrimp paste. Belacan is a Belacan is a kind of culinary made of compressed and durable shrimp. Belacan is processed from shrimp or small shrimp fillets and once ready to process can be stored for long periods of use. So this is the video of the belacan making in Masjid Tanah Melaka in the wet market there. So as you can see there, the first method is to weight the belacan on preferred condition by the seller, and then they will shape the belacan into a round shape by using a hand labor mold for the belacan to make it into the round shape. So after the belacan is finished, then the belacan will be packed by using the rubber band and will be sold to the customer as per condition and as per selling. So, what is the objective of my project? My objective is to develop mechanical system for automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine, develop control system for the automated round-shaped belacan packaging machine, and to analyze performance of the system and machine. And my scope of project is for small-scale belacan industry that will use this machine to help them develop or to help them sell more belacan in the future. So, methodology, which is the research flowchart for my project. First and foremost, a flow diagram was built to organize and execute the project to accomplish the work properly. The flowchart will show how the process or mechanism is being implemented, direction and decision to take or implement a method. So this one is the develop mechanical system for automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine, which is the phase 1. First and foremost, I need to study and ask opinion about automated portable round-shaped belacan packaging machine from my supervisor and also make a research study and also make a literature study and problem statement. And I continue to phase 2, which is the development of automated portable round-shaped packaging machine control system. So for this part, I need to study the mechanism of control system such as comparison between data analysis comparison between manual and automated process of shaping the belacan and design a control system including DP/DT, rocker switch, Arduino Uno, and selected current sensor or ultrasonic sensor to make the system goes automated as smoothly as possible. So after I've approved the design, then I will continue to the phase 3, which is to make the data analysis for this project. So I analyze performance of the motor and also analyze the performance of the system that I will use for this project, as it is very compulsory for my project to run smoothly and to run stable as possible. So the data analysis for the stability and the endurance of system working non-stop without any problem. And then I will proceed with the hardware implementation or the prototype design. Here are the SolidWorks design that I have made beforehand. So this is the 2D design of the SolidWorks that I have had in mind and I made in the SolidWorks. And this is the 3D SolidWorks that I will implement in the prototype design. So here is the data analysis of my project. First is the motor comparison between geared motor and power window motor. Here we can see power window motor is much more powerful, has much more torque, speed, current and voltage to make the system go more smooth and stable. As the power window motor has more torque, so it can mold the belacan shape, the round shape belacan much more perfectly, and it will move much more faster, and this will uh, make the time taken for molding the belacan much more shorter. Next is the load belacan against torque of motor. So even if I use a different type of load of belacan, such as 100 gram, 250 gram, and 350 gram, the torque used will be increased indefinitely by the load of belacan, as the more load of belacan, the more torque of motor that will be used to shape the round shape belacan. Next is I make the automated process versus the manual process. I contribute or I take data for time taken to pack and time taken to mold. From this graph, we will see manual process take more time, such as the 350 seconds, which is around 4 minutes, and while the automated process only take around 10 seconds to 20 seconds to finish molding the round shape belacan. And time to pack for both is the same, as the packaging is only need to be put on the plastic and rubber band, and then it can be sold towards the customer. So next is distance for perfect shape. So the distance for perfect shape is non-correlated, as every distance can make the belacan perfect by using this automated portable round shape belacan packaging machine, as the torque of motor is powerful enough to shape the belacan without any disturbance. Next is the prototype design or the hardware and final result. This is my belacan or my automated portable round shape belacan packaging machine, which I use molding design, and I use the lead acid battery, ultrasonic sensor, current sensor. Ultrasonic sensor will sense that there is belacan, and the motor will go down to mold the belacan, and while the current sensor is to regulate the current inside the machine so that we can control the power of the motor to turn up and or turn down. So this is my gun chart for PSM2. This is the gun chart that I will need to accomplish beforehand. So what is the conclusion for my project? Automated portable round shape belacan packaging machine, which is really easy to control and portable, and also affordable, which is very helpful for small scale belacan seller to use it on a daily basis. Based on that, automated portable round shape belacan packaging machine is very useful towards the small scale belacan industry in order for them to develop their business and follow the demand of the customer that are highly recommended. So next, I will show you my hardware development or the video demonstration for my prototype design. So hi, this is my development of automated portable round shape belacan machine. So this is my video demonstration that will use belacan, and I will show you about the connection that I have in my machine. So first of all, I have three types of load, which is one is 150, 250, and also 300 gram of belacan. This is the belacan that I have buy and prepared for beforehand. So this is the Arduino Uno circuit for my machine for the machine to work as automated as it should be for the project. So I have two sensors that I use. First is the ultrasonic sensor and also the current sensor in here to regulate the volt current that will regulate around the circuit. And I use a 12 volt 7 ampere seal lead acid battery that will power supply the machine of the motor, which is I use power window motor, and also the Arduino Uno. And then for this connection here, I connect between the power window motor and the lead bearing rod to change the rotary motion of the power window motor into a linear motion of the motor by using the bearing rod, so that it can mold the belacan here without any problem, and the shape of the belacan will come out perfectly. Okay, to turn on the machine, first we need to connect the motor, the Arduino Uno, with the battery here. So as you can see here, the Arduino is turned on and the relay is on state 0, which is when I turn on the switch here, the system will go down and mold. So I need to put a pressure here. So as you can see here, the mold has been assembled by using the nuts and the screw that has been implemented here. So it is easy to assemble and disassemble if you want to change the mold that are available beforehand. So we need to make the belacan into a round shape, but not as perfectly, just as like this. We put inside the mold, and then